very fortunate to be the director of Child Right, which is one of the CIHR SPOR networks, so focusing on patient-oriented research, in this case for children with brain-based developmental disabilities and their families. And we have patients that include youth with disabilities and parents of children with disabilities. And throughout our 13 different research projects, we have patient partners very actively involved. So in terms of the impact of this, we have been doing different measurement strategies, both quantitative and qualitative, to understand the perspectives of the researchers and the patient partners about the impacts and the benefits of patient engagement. And overwhelmingly, both researchers and patients have found this to be a very positive experience for the research. They're involved to a very great extent in the project at various stages of the project. And patient partners indicate that they feel comfortable giving their opinions. They feel it's a very strong, authentic partnership, and they're very satisfied. The key is that because of this high commitment on both sides, the researchers and the patient partners, they both feel that the research is more likely to be relevant and to be taken up and used after the project is completed. And there are many impacts. The recruitment methods are more inclusive, more diverse in terms of the materials, are more understandable to different groups. We're using diverse ways of finding participants, using videos and social media. So patient partners have been very involved in developing recruitment materials. Also, the outcome measures that are being selected are meaningful to patient partners because they certainly influence how we measure outcomes. Any interventions we're developing are more likely to be feasible and enjoyable for children to participate in. They're involved in dissemination strategies. So after the research is completed, how to package the information, not only for professionals, but also for families and for patients. So many of our projects may develop a parent advisory group, so 5 to 10 patient partners. Some also have youth as partners in the research projects. And, having a larger number gives you different perspectives, different lived experiences. And also, it's important to recognize that these families are going through very challenging periods. And so they may not always be available to participate in and engage in the project. So by having more patient partners, you can have a subset participating at different aspects all along the way without putting too much pressure on the patient partner if they have to be at every single thing. So having a group also supports each other. It empowers them, but also gives them more flexibility to participate when it's possible. Absolutely. So there is a tendency to involve patients right at the beginning as you start to plan the project, but they should be involved all along the way, from the generating the research question to disseminating the results. And so it is important to engage them through various components of recruitment, data collection, interpretation of results, and the knowledge translation plan. And ensuring in that way that all aspects of the project are truly patient-oriented.